We are from Section 2 and we are here to present about computer architecture. These are our members, Dinesh, Darwinesh, and me, Daniel Arshad. There are two computer architectures. The first one is von Neumann and the second one is Harvard. Here are the differences. For von Neumann, data and instructions is stored in the same memory. To access data and instructions, it is cheaper to implement and requires less space. For Harvard, instructions and data is stored in separate memory. Separate bus is used for data and instructions. It is costly than von Neumann and requires more space.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about similarities of von Neumann and Howard. Firstly, they both serve as the basis for modern computing systems. That is, current computer systems rely on von Neumann and Howard architectures for their systematic method of processing instructions. The von Neumann standard works for most general computing needs, but Howard architecture finds extensive use in embedded systems and also serves digital signal processing devices and microcontroller applications. Second one is both contain essential computing components. That is, a computer consists of CPU, memory, control unit, and I/O system as its fundamental components which exist in both architectures. The system components operate harmoniously so they can execute commands as well as calculate information quickly. Last one is they both store and process instruction and data. Both architectures utilize different storage systems, although they share common characteristics in maintaining and handling instructions and data to run programs. The programming ability functions similarly in each architecture because both enable the execution of programs. Thank you.
Fixed and store program comparison. The fixed program term is utilized to refer to computers that are designed to perform a specific task with instructions hardwired into their hardware. They cannot be redirected without changing their wiring or parts. A typical example of a fixed program computer is the ENIAC. It had to be rewired manually to change its functions. Fixed programs computers were not really adaptable and expensive to change. The stored program concept was designed by John von Neumann. It revolutionized computing by allowing instructions to be placed in memory alongside data. This allowed a computer to repurpose by merely changing the stored instructions rather than changing the hardware. Modern computers, including PC and smartphones, operate on the stored program concept, allowing them to run different applications efficiently.